Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. If you have kids, you know how hard it is to keep track of a pencil sharpener. I don't know why I didn't think of it sooner, but all I really needed to do was get a pencil sharpener that plugged in to the wall. No more fights, no more meltdowns because of broken pencils. I love this pencil sharpener by X-ACTO. X-ACTO is known for sharp things, so this is a great electric pencil sharpener. It works really fast and it's actually fairly quiet. And it's easy to use. Also, giving your children the task of sharpening all the pencils is a great way to keep them busy. Just make sure they keep their little fingers out of there. The reservoir to hold pencil shavings is really easy to pull out. I definitely recommend doing it over a garbage can because when it's full, they will pop out, but you can hold shavings from quite a few pencils in here before you ever have to even empty it. Also, the plug is really easy to plug and unplug from the wall, so when you do need to empty it, it's not going to be a difficult task. This sharpener works great and is easy to keep track of, and now no more kids being upset that they can't find their pencil sharpener. And that's my point of view.